Let's get this show started. I'm Jamie Benizri, and you are?
Airplane Jane.
I'm not going to call you Plain Jane. I made the mistake of doing that before.
I'm anything but plain.
She's anything but plain, and she's got a lot of information in her brain that I want to bring to surface. My kids are sick.
Yeah, the flu has been absolutely awful this year.
So the flu is all over the place. I got my vaccine. Tell us about the flu and the impact on the market.
Well, the big thing today was we had NVAX, and they had phase 1 and phase 2 approval of their drug, which has been great news. This company is very good with the flu vaccine, RSV, and as you'll see that when a drug gets FDA approval, it will impact the stock. So basically the stock ran up to 282 today, and it's roughly about 230, up 7%.
Let's go right away to Donald Trump. Whenever he tweets, there's action in the stock market. People are protesting, but today he's talking about tariffs.
Correct.
Tell us about that.
So Donald Trump opened his mouth, said basically, all right, we're going to impose taxes on imports of steel and aluminum. So the steel is going to be a 25% tax and aluminum of 15% going into effect next week. Now this really impacted all companies that use steel as a main material.
Yeah,
so
sure.
all of the auto sector is down, Boeing is down, and the stocks in general went up for steel and aluminum. And you know, many times when people hear this news, it's a major sell-off, sell the news. And so therefore I think that this market reaction is basically just that. It's sell the news. So overall the SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF, has dropped today. I believe that by the end of the week we should find a little bit more of a bounce to it. It's just an overreaction to the news today.
Now obviously, perfect segue, steel to Chipotle, right? Natural connection. I love a good burrito. I love Chipotle. New CEO, hails from Taco Bell, great track record. They were experimenting with burgers that I thought that it was a little weird. What could you tell us about Chipotle?
Well, Chipotle is quite a volatile stock in itself. It did have highs of almost 800, and it has come down dramatically based with E. coli. And everyone was touting this new burger fad, that going into a fresh burger is going to be the saving grace for Chipotle. Now they've decided today to go ahead and step back and take that out of their agenda. However, they just had a big insider buy 2 days ago, and many of the Wall Street analysts are saying, you know, Chipotle is very undervalued right now because of the E. coli outbreaks that had given it negative press. There is value to the company overall. So in my opinion, just like always guys, these are all my opinions. I'm not a licensed professional. So do your own due diligence and trade accordingly. But I think that Chipotle is an overall good long-term stock that has value.
Love it. Airplane Jane, Jamie Benizri. This is Market Logic. We'll be back next week.
Have a great day, guys. Car Pick Profit.